Okay, this is the podcasting for Algebra. This video will be uploaded onto the nearpod, and you will be requested to have it watched before you come into class and have a practice what's there. And you will need to ask questions every time before we start the lesson. Now, we are starting algebra, and I want you to remember that algebra means actually a few things. Number one, we simplify. Number two, we expand. Number three, we factorize. Number four, we substitute. So we need to understand what each one of these terms means. So we are going to discuss first simplify. Simplify means that we will try to transform a long and expanded expression or equation and add, subtract to make it as simple as possible. So for example, if I have something like 3x plus 9c plus 7x minus 3c plus 5, that's huge. I need somehow to make it as simple as possible. This process is called simplifying, because I'm simplifying the way this expression is written down. And there is a technique. We're going to discuss this technique later. The second thing we need to discuss is expanding. Expand means that we do the opposite of simplifying. Actually, we try to transform a short and simplified expression or equation and open it up. And actually, we do that in order to see what's in there and see if we can eventually simplify, add, solve the problem. It's like seeing something from different views. For example, expanding is this. If you have something like this, expanding is to open it up and write this. So here we see there is a factor outside of the brackets, and here there are no brackets. So if you want that, expanding means getting rid of the brackets, whereas the next one, factorizing, is nothing but the opposite. It is trying to make brackets, trying to find the common factor. For example, if I have something like this, 3x plus 15 plus 9, and I can see that the common factor in here is 3. There is a 3 here. There are 5 3's here, and there are 3 3's here. I can say, okay, 3 can be my common factor. I have it outside, and now what I put inside? I took that x3 from here, so I put inside x, plus I took the 3 from here, so I don't have any more 3. I have 5. I took the 3 from here. What's left? 9 divided by 3. It's another 3. So this is the quick way we discuss factorization. We will start from like terms, and because this is how we organize algebra, we start from scratch, from the simple steps. So our first step, every time we see an equation or an expression, is we have to separate the like terms from the unlike terms. Let's discuss here. I hope you understand that this term and this term, they're like terms. Why? Because this is p squared and this is p squared. Okay? It is p squared and p squared here. How many? 2p squared. How many here? 4p b squared. So can I write this as expression? Yes, I can write 2b squared and 4b squared equals how many b squared altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6b squared. Okay? The same here. Is this like term? I check. Yes, x here, x there. Y here? Yes, y there. Is it y squared in both sides? Yes. So, is this a like term to this? Yes, it is. This is xy squared, and this is xy squared. 3 here and 7 here, 10 all together. Okay, this is what we really say, identify the like terms and group them together. Now, the question is here. I have to work and say 5m and 4n here. Are they like terms? Are they like terms? This is n. This is, sorry, m and n. They're not the same. So I cannot add them. Not like terms. I cannot do anything else. I can group them together. Are these two like terms? A, B in both sides. Well, this is a squared and this is a. It's like having this and this. It's not the same. The same here. This is b and this is b squared. Let's say this is b and this is b squared. Still, it's not the same. So these unlike terms, I cannot add them. We have done these like terms. Let's play another one. Let's say if you can do something here. 2b squared and 4b squared. Take away 1b squared. Take away 6b squared plus 2b squared. Are they all like terms? Yes, they are. So what are we doing here? We need to group them together, plus them, or subtract them as they are. So I'm writing 2b squared plus 4b squared, done, plus 2b squared, take away 1b squared, take away 6b squared. And so let's group them together. 1, 2, 3. They're all b squareds. How many I have? I'm adding the numbers now. I have 2 and 4 and 2. Altogether 8 b squareds. Let's see on the other side what I have here. I have 6 and 1, 7. What's the sign here? Take away 7b squared. How many b squared I have? 8. Take away 7 equals 1b squared or b squared. So this is how we work with like terms, and this is the practice you need to work on in groups, and you have to present it in the class. This video will stop soon, because next we're going to discuss what are we doing if we have something more than addition and subtraction, if we have multiplication, division, or working with others. So this is the practice. If the nearpod works, we will do it on nearpod. If it doesn't work, we're going to do it on through your books. Thank you.